Hi Tenfold, my name is Anna and I'm struggling a little bit with this question. Please could you help me? It's got to do with arm spans of a group of learners and the mean of their arm spans being unaffected if two different learners or three learners were absent from the class. I'm very confused. Please help me. Thank you.
The question reads, the arm span of each of a group of learners. Now, look at each of a group of learners. It means we don't know what the number of those learners are. Was measured and it was found that the mean class arm span was 1.8 meters. So I have that as that. So I will then say my X bar is equal to 1.8 meters. So I have that number one. And then however, when the arm span lengths were included in the when the arm span was collected, we have three learners that were absent at school. When the arm span was included in the data set, the mean did not change. So what does that mean? It means whether you take it out of three learners or out of four learners, it will still give you 1.8 meters. If the arm span of the two learners were it's 1.47 and 1.63 meters, and then the other one we do not know it, so we'll call it X. Round your answer. So I want you to calculate the arm span of the third absent learner. You round your answer to 2 decimal places. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these things. So mean is given by the sum of the values divided by n, which is then equal to, I know my mean is 1.8 is equal to 1.47 plus 1.63 plus X, and then divided by 3. So to quickly solve this, you know, your basic algebra comes into picture here. I will have 1.47 plus, or rather let's start with 1.8 multiplied by 3. You first cross multiply, right? And then you subtract the two values, 1.47 plus 1.63, and this will then be equal to 2.3. Right, so it means that my X is then equal to a 2.3 meters. So that is the third person that was there. So what did I just look at right now? We are given the mean for a certain group of learners. A group of learners means more than two. So right now they say if three learners were absent and we know for the two, and I know what the mean is for the three learners, how can I then find the third one? So you add them, divide by the total, equate it to the actual mean. So that's what you then needed to do.